Hi, friends. I'm so happy to see you today. If you own a cat or a dog, you know that sometimes your animals can get fleas. Well, today's story is all about a flea. Let's find out what happens. Let's get started. The Fleas Sneeze. And remember to turn on closed caption if you'd like to make this a read aloud. The Fleas Sneeze by Lynn Downey, illustrated by Carla Firehammer. On a dark, dark night on an old, old farm in a rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, and an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him cough. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him sniffle, sniffle. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard his garbled plea. Does anybody have a tissue for B? Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, achoo! It scared the rat, who cried, "Boo-hoo!" and woke the cat, who hissed, "Marie!" It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered, "Moo, moo." It outraged the owl, who hollered, "Hoo, hoo!" and flustered the fowl, who crowed, "Cock-a-doodle-doo!" It daunted the dog, who barked, "Whoo, whoo!" and sprayed the hog, who screamed, "Ew!" and reminded the frog of his old nephew. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. For all the rest of that dark, dark night on the old, old farm, in the rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse he used for a house, the rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog, everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. No one heard his garbled wheeze, "I think I've got a sneeze." Hey friends, what a cute story. I do feel bad for the pig though that he caught the flea's cold at the end. Hope it doesn't travel around the farmyard. If you enjoyed today's book and would like to see others, please visit my channel at the Teachers Read Aloud. Please remember to like and subscribe, and please drop me a comment if there is a book that you would like to see featured. Thank you. See you next time.